In this video, we are going to make this mini village house gift box. It can be used as a mini treat box or even a little dollhouse. It is an easy and fun project to make. You'll find the free download link in the description. Let's get started. All the folding lines are cut as dotted lines. There are no scoring tools required. These triangle marks are where glue will be used. Before you start, check where the folding lines are, then flip over and start folding. Put glue here and stick the side of the house together. Hold and press it a bit to ensure the glue is dry. Tuck the bottom tabs in, turn to the top and you will see two tabs with triangle marks. Put glue here and align them with the roof. Hold a bit to make sure the glue is dry. Close the opening tab, then we are done. Easy peasy. If you like this project, check out the Village Advent Calendar set in my Etsy shop. Happy crafting!